So, I'm I'm here to help anyone who is needed because that is my mission from God.
Yeah, okay.
Yun lang po yung masasabi ko. That's the only thing that I can say. That's the reason why I'm doing this. It's not because of I'm Gladys. It's not because of I have this what do you call this? I studied all about this, but what I can do is to give the people some hope para matulungan po sila to help them to recover whatever they are suffering right now. Kasi
So-
alam niyo po, Sir Gio, ang dami po kasi nagkakasakit ngayon. At saka, ayun po yung mga iba kasi hindi na, actually, Sir Gio, hindi naman to first time.
Yeah.
Ang dami ko na pong mga nire-reach out na ibang tao sa Pilipinas tsaka sa ibang panig ng mundo na willing talaga. Tinutulungan ko po sila kasi ang dami pong nagsasuffer. Ang ginawa ko po, sumali po ako sa mga community. Tapos, binibigyan ko po sila ng mga ng mga pwede nilang gawin. Giving it all for free. So guys, my heart is open to help.
So what is your message to the Filipino massage therapists in the Philippines all over the world? What is your message?
Alam niyo po yung very powerful po itong being a massage therapy. So, keep on going, guys. This massage is very powerful. It is a powerful skill. It is a life. Actually, ano po siya ang tawag dito, yung life survival. Sa totoo lang.
So what can you say about the World Massage Federation competition in Royce, Pampanga in the Philippines? So what can you say about that?
Good luck, and I know you're all excited, and I wish you all well. Keep it up. And yes, good luck. Kasi dati po sumali rin po kasi ako sa competition sa ibang bansa. So I know the preparation. Kasi may preparation yan prior to the competition. Kailangan mo muna mag-practice. So, good luck to all the competitors.
So what can you say about our President of Sport, Health and Wellness, Mr. Alas Coneos Jr. and Show?
Si Sir Alex Nunes, maganda po yung niya.